Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a oldie but a goodie. I want to take you back to my girl Latisha. Now last year sometime I reviewed this wig. I did a revamping of her and definitely did a flop, so it was a fail. It was a total fail. So I wanted to go about doing it again, but since this wig is about 4 years old, I figured I might as well go ahead and wash her and yeah, put it all the way together. So this is technically going to be a video on how to wash a synthetic wig, how to go about curling her the proper way, and putting her all the way together. So come on guys, let's just go and get into who's that girl. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and give this video a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. All right folks, let's go. Let's get into this video. Okay, first things first, like I said, this wig is 4 years old, so I had to go about taking her out the closet and getting a brush to detangle her. Now, make sure when you're doing this process, you start combing her out from the bottom to the top. Do not comb from the root all the way down to the bottom, because then you lose some of these synthetic fibers, okay? Now by the time you're done, she should look something like this. Now don't forget that Miss Latisha is a thickum. So she's a thick wig, and she's a textured wig, and she's not silky at all. She's actually one of those big poofy kind of wigs that you can wear and just kill it. She's definitely a statement wig. Now I watched a lot of videos that told me to use hot water, extreme hot water, but you got to remember these are synthetic fibers, which means somewhat like plastic, people. So I decided to do lukewarm water to wash this synthetic wig. Now mind you, I'm going to say this again, this is 4 years in the making, and within these 4 years I want to say I probably wore Latisha 3 times. So with this shampoo that I'm using from Shea Moisturizer, I want to tell you right now, this water is about to look real dirty. It's about to look nasty. Don't come for me in the comments, because I know you're going to. I do not sleep with my wigs. I do not wear them all the time. It's usually if I have an event, I put them on and keep it moving. That is it. So again, don't come for me, because this water was really nasty. Okay, so right here I am actually rinsing out the soap. I drained out the dirty water and put in some more water to drain out the soap, to clean off the soap. And now I use a little bit of fabric softener to, I guess, make the synthetic fibers, I don't know, softer. I'm not too sure why they use softener, but I'll let you know for sure. This wig was smelling very nice, very nice. So here I am just brushing. Forgive my kitchen in the background looking crazy, but here I am just literally brushing the wig. Again guys, don't be like me. Do not comb from the root to the tip. Always from the tip to the root, people. Okay? Now I am just rinsing off the softener that I put into her, and I am going to start styling this wig while she's wet. This is what Latisha looks like out the water. She's not dry, she's still wet, and she's still super duper thick, as you can see. I plucked her a little to give her more a realistic look, and she smells amazing. That softener did its job. So right now, as I'm curling Miss Latisha with these curly rods, I was actually talking to my sister, and she had me on the floor dying. Like, it was just so funny. But anyway, I decided to use the method where you take a plastic bag and put it over your wig after you curl it and steam your wig. I really wanted to see if that was gonna work compared to using the curling iron, because I honestly want to get into styling synthetic wigs to make them look a whole lot better, not just how they come out the wig. Like, I want to start styling them, like styling them. So this is just me trying to see what I can do, what I can't do with the tools that I have. So I'm gonna just continue to fast forward through this video. You can watch me curl her, and then yeah, I'll show you how I do the plastic bag method. Okay, after placing the plastic bag over this wig, of course you make sure that the lettering is on the outside of this bag because you don't want any of that red on your hair. You just technically just steam it, like literally. It was a little bit hot because you know, this is my first time doing it, so next time I think I'll know better on what I need to do. But you don't need even really that much. I didn't really need that much steam, to be honest. So I hit it with steam in the back, and then again on the front. I want to say for like about not even a minute or two. Just as long as you have that plastic bag on, trust me, that hair is getting all that steam all the way around. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go about installing this wig. Now that I got her all steamed up, I haven't taken out any of these curls yet, so I had no idea at this point like if she was gonna be a go or not. But I'm like, F it. It is what it is. We already got this far. We gonna see how Latisha comes out, because I'm not going back. We already here. I'm not going back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this play out, and yeah, we go from there. And yeah, and give you my opinion on Miss Latisha. I mean, is she still that girl? Is she still that girl after I've done all of this? Let's find out, shall we? So right here, guys, this is just me pulling out the curls. I realized she needed a little bit more of a cut because the way she was framing my face was nice, but the back was a little bit longer than the front. So I had to take some scissors and cut that. And yeah, I'm going to show you what the back looks like in a few. But her curls were nice. Like, she was giving. Alright, so after styling her and taking her down in the curls, this is what Latisha is looking like in the back. Still nice and full. The curls definitely took, like, Latisha, yes, and yes, is still that girl. I decided to cut some more bangs into her, so this is what I'm doing right here. I'm not gonna lie to you, Latisha is definitely still that girl. I'm sorry. Like, I actually do have a new Latisha here that my goddaughter purchased for me. Thank you for the sponsor. I love you, girl. But old, new, old, Latisha eats every single time. It doesn't matter what color you get her in. It doesn't matter if you cut her, you leave her long. It doesn't matter where you wear her to. This wig right here should definitely be in your wig collection. She is a staple across the board. You know how many times people have purchased this wig over and over and over again, and she's literally like $40? Baby, stop playing. Stop playing. Dress her up, dress her down. Latisha is still that girl. She's still that girl. So would I buy her again? Definitely. Wouldn't hesitate. Where would I wear her to? Any event that calls me to stand up and stand out and look better than everybody in the room. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I said it. I said it. I said it. Listen, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. Because baby Latisha, she's a goat, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.